Hey everyone, we're back. So I'm doing it's just a tree house here. So I'm using some leftover Pergo that I had. Well, it turns out I had some Pergo with the padding already on the back. And then when I tried to match the color, they were out of the ones with padding. And so I was able to get some similar color without any padding. So I had a couple boxes left over from doing the house, so I'm doing my tree house. So I wanted to see if the ones with the padding, these two here, have padding on them. I don't know if you can see that. Yes, there's padding under there, see? So I wanted to see if that would work if I put a padding down and then did a board without padding on it. So I'm going to see if it works here. And let's just put this last board on real quick and see if it's the same level as those with already padding on it. So So, I think it seems to, obviously you can tell the board's a little bit different color. I got as close as I could, okay? And it's just a tree house. At any rate, it seems to be about the same with one layer of padding. So this was Traffic Master, and it's 2 mil thickness. So I'm guessing, I'm thinking that does work. So if you were wondering if you could do Pergo laminate floor with the padding already attached and Pergo laminate floor without the padding but putting down your own layer, yes, it does look like it works. And looks like 2 mil is going to get you really close to the same level as that. So I hope that answered a question out there. I don't know how many people are really going to have the same problem as me. But yeah, hopefully that helps you out there. Thanks for watching. Okay, bye.